Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and today's our topic is how to change color of images in Adobe Express. So the video will be a quick and step-by-step guideline video. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So you can see we are using free trial in our Adobe Express. You can create your account by following some simple steps. So without any further ado, so we are going to dive into the main step, that will be change our image color. So that for reason I'm going to click over here, start from your computer, then I will choose a picture or image in here that might be good, and let's click on edit image. So here when I click on edit image, the process will be something like this. Here we have option for add elements, edit text, and many more. As you can see, we have effect option. Here we can easily use effect or filters in our image. We can change tint, we can choose whatever we want. If you want to view more, then you will have further more option to change your color. So you can see it. If you click on none, then the color will be something like this is the previous color. If I click on portrait, the color will be changed. Cool tone, the color will be similar other. Then if you want to adjust your thing manually, then you can do it your own by clicking on edit. Then you can see this adjust option. Just click over here, and then you will have the option for light, color, detail. If you choose the color, then you can see how it is changing. So you can make your image like your desired color. It's totally up to you. I hope this video was helpful, and I try my best to give you the basic knowledge about Adobe Express and how you can change your color. I hope you love this video. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.